Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rubaiya Kausar, Department of Chemistry from Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Today my presentation topic is chemical equilibrium constant and its affecting factor and significance. If you want to know chemical equilibrium constant, first of all we have to know what is chemical equilibrium. From this slide, we can show that the step of reversible reaction when two opposite reaction occur at the same rate and the concentration of reactant and products do not change with time. It will be chemical equilibrium. We saw that A plus B equal to C plus D. Here, reactants are A and B and products C and D. And equilibrium is a dynamic process. Now we know the term equilibrium constant, a number that expresses the relationship between the amount of product and reactants present at equilibrium, a reversible chemical reaction at a given temperature. Equilibrium constants is a number. Chemical equilibrium constants expressed for a reaction is general term. The general reaction may be written as A plus B equal to C plus D. Here we saw that chemical equilibrium constants expression is Kc equal C into D divided A into B. Here C and D are the concentration of C and D of the product, and A, B are the reactants concentration, and equilibrium constant denoted by Kc. Factors which affect equilibrium constant are change in concentration of any product or reactants, change in pressure of the system, change in temperature of the system, adding inert gas, adding catalyst. First of all, we have to know effect of change in concentration on equilibrium constants. Equilibrium constants are not changed if we change the concentration. The only thing that changes an equilibrium constant is a change of temperature. The position of equilibrium is changed if we change the concentration of something present in the mixture. When we change the concentration, the direction will be right when the concentration of reactants is greater than the product, and the direction of the reaction will be left when the concentration of the product is greater than the reactant. Next effect is temperature. Increasing the temperature decreases the value of equilibrium constants. The only thing which can change the equilibrium constant. The only temperature can change equilibrium constants, where the forward reaction is endothermic. Increasing the temperature increase the value of the equilibrium constant. Effect of change in pressure on equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constants are not changed if we change the pressure of the system. The only thing is temperature, which we explain our before slide, like that temperature. Also pressure can explain that pressure when increased, the reaction direction will be changed. Significance of equilibrium constant. The equilibrium constant can help us understand whether the reaction tends to have a higher concentration of product or reactants and equilibrium. Thank you everyone.